Hey everyone, I've been sent out this epic gift pack from Mr. Black. So I thought, why not do an unboxing and show you all the fabulous things that they've sent out to me to make some awesome espresso martinis. Alrighty, so let's have a look in the box. So we've got, ooh, I need one of these, a nice big jigger. A cocktail shaker. We have a box inside a box, don't mind that. So this is from Mr. Black. Look at this. So this is the coffee liqueur. Amazing, absolutely love it. And how cool is the packaging on this? I think that's what drew me in at first with Mr. Black actually, is kind of old tarot card style art. I think it's awesome, I love it. Hell yeah, anyway, let's keep having a look through the box. So we have Industry Beans cold brew coffee concentrate. Going to make a cold, what are they called? An iced coffee. Make an iced coffee for Victoria later. We have this guy. Ooh, a little strainer. Lovely. And, oh, hell yeah. I have been looking everywhere for good martini glasses and they're not as easy to find as you would think. So these espresso martini glasses, wow. Oh, and there's two in there, so I can share it. Awesome, because drinking alone isn't as fun as it is drinking with someone else. Oh, they're so cool. Look at the shape of them. Wow. Look at the bottom as well, the eyes. Oh, that's sick. Oh, well, what an epic box. Thanks, Mr. Black. Anyway, on my next video, I'm going to teach you how to put all these ingredients together to whip up an espresso martini, a signature espresso martini from Mr. Black. Is it here? Sweet.